Hello, everybody. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can recreate this drop shadow design using Canva. So now this design is very popular, and a lot of my clients ask for this design in presentations and landing pages because it's very aesthetically pleasing. So let's get started on how you can recreate a design like this. So when you go to Canva, you open up a blank canvas and you go to elements and search for shadow. So you can see here that it's showing you different options in graphics and photos. So when you go here to the see all option, this is going to show you some drop shadow designs. Not drop shadow, but more, this is more like background shadow design, right? So you can pick something that you like, that you feel it resonates with what you're trying to create with your brand. So for instance, if I go here, this gives me a starting point, right? So I've added this drop shadow here. Now you can see how this looks. Now if we go back to our reference, you can see this neat little border outline here. So when we go back and the shapes, we select one of these here and we make it transparent and add a border. We can reduce the border width so it's almost not visible, just like our reference. And so you can see how neat this looks. Now I fit this to my content. Now you can see that my base template is in effect, and you see how beautiful this looks, right? And then I'm going to add my text. So one handy tool that I like to use in my text is Font Joy, because it's a free tool. It's great to get started. This is Font Joy, fontjoy.com. So this lets you generate different text pairings that you feel would work with your, that you can experiment with, that might work with your the content that you're trying to create. So for instance, I can go here and choose the kind of font that I like and use that in my design. For instance, this is Poppins, and now this is, so you have a lot of choice here, and you can pick what you feel works best with the design that you see. I like this, so I'm going to put this in my text. So I go back. You can remember that this is a completely free tool. I go back here. How many way this works? So I have a font here that I have chosen. You can see that I have my text in place. Now I'm just going to add my images. As you can see here, these designs work beautifully with images that you want to add onto the background. So I go back here, I go to my uploads, and I put the designs that I will add. I will tint it a little bit here. I will add another design that we would into. So So as you can see here, my design is almost done. You open with the count, drop shadow like this, and this. So now you can see that this looks pretty neat. You can also choose a different kind of shadow. So this is an explainer into how you can use shadow effect in Canva to create beautiful design. I hope you all learned something today. Have a good day.